Hey, this will be a video chart on PGIE. Pretty interesting chart here that is starting to take shape, and I had some people asking about it today. It's getting pretty exciting, although not quite there in terms of where the chart could really start to build some momentum. But I'm sure nobody's complaining after these past couple of days, where it seems to have finally bottomed out here and is now starting to show some signs of life. So the first place I want to start with the video is just kind of simply mapping out the support levels, and this one is pretty straightforward. We kind of have two of them, as I'll call it. The first one's going to be our ideal support level, and all this means is if you were to ask me, hey, what support would you like to see hold that would make the chart look, kind of the absolutely best that it could, I would point out this level right here, which is at 0.0025, and actually today, what was the low? Today's low was 0.0025, so it actually came down here, and as you can see, bounced right off that level. Now, where is this coming from? Well, this was a previous level of support here, and then when it broke down below, you can see that it became a level of resistance for a few days, and now that the price is back up above it, you can see that now the bulls are holding here strong as a support level. So 0.0025 will be the ideal support level. The must-hold support level, meaning no excuses, it needs to hold if this chart's going to hang in and have any chance, is going to be down here, which is just simply this batch of the previous lows, which is valued at 0.0015. So I'll change this line to green too and make it extra thick just to represent this being the level that has to hold, because remember, if this one doesn't hold, then now all of a sudden the chart's putting in a whole new set of lows, and that's what you absolutely don't want to do when you're trying to break into a new uptrend. Now, in terms of resistance levels, this actually makes a great charting example for those people that are new, but the main level besides this 50-day simple moving average is simply this dynamic level right here, which is valued basically at 0.003, and I'll show you where I got this line from, but you can see here it's acted as resistance, there acted as resistance, and then here before the price fell below it, you can see for about 3 days straight here acted as support. So just a good example here of a support level when the price falls below, turning into a resistance, bounce its head off there, bounce its head off there, and now once more, basically 2 days in a row, is struggling to get up above this point. Excuse me, it's 0.004. That's the level here that I was talking about, not 0.003. So 0.004 is the key level of resistance. But now when I scrunch up the chart, this is where I got this level from. If we go back here and look through the history of the chart, you can see that this low right here was at 0.00, right around that area. Right here, this low was at 0.0042, this low 0.0042, this low 0.0041. So you get the point, and then here is where the chart originally was. Multiple times through the history of the chart, this level support, 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 and then like I pointed out, the last kind of breath of support here, and now that the price has fallen below it, you can see what's going on. The price is struggling to get above it. So 0.004, I guess the moral of the story, 0.004 is really the key level that the price needs to get above, and if it can, you can see here that resistance level is really thin out quite a bit, so the price could really get moving, but as history has shown, this is going to be a stubborn level to get through, and the past 2 days have tried but couldn't quite do it. So keep your eye on this level, and that'll kind of dictate the true strength behind this chart. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was PGIE. Thanks for listening.